Hear me out.
I'm gonna flick it off like Two-Face. You heard? What's the deal, Phil? Long time no see. Yo, I'm back with another one.
Another one.
Get out right here, man.
Today, we switching out the C Sprocket on the torque converter. Now, I was running a 10. Now, I upgraded to a 15, if you know what I mean. And I'm running a 60 in the back and a 15 in the front. I'm not smart, B. Like, I ain't gonna even front with you. I don't know the gear ratios or whatever, B. I just put the sprocket on, and if I like how it feels, then I keep the thing on. If I don't, I just throw it away. You heard? I can't even front with you. I don't know what happened to the audio. Yo, but look how big that goddamn sprocket is. God damn it. And we're gonna put that bad boy right on this torque converter. You heard, Big Bird? Yo, so I had to get my 15, 16 socket wrench out or whatever impact. What? You call it what you want. And we're gonna take off the back end real quick. You know what I mean? Just a little 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Goddamn 1, 2. And you know what I mean? We'll pull it off. Just pull that joint off, B. Yo, take off the belt. Pull the joint. Alright, look at it. Yeah, my shit bent because I done crashed my shit. Yeah, alright. But it still do what it do. And let's go ahead and pop off the chain. You know what I mean? By me taking off this chain, I will feel like a better person. Because like I said, this is a damn voiceover. So I'm going to fix the mat. And I'm going to take off the chain. And bada bing, bada boom. That shit's off, B. You know what I mean? Through the courtesy of magic. You know, pop that joint. Alright, take that off. Look how little that is. Look. Little like your man's, B. But look at your boy right here. You see how, look at that big, look at that. Look. Peep the game, B. Big. You know what I mean? Your girl likes it big, B. Don't ask me. Just ask her. Get that on there, bang it on there, you know what I mean? You might gotta get the, hold up. Get that bitch. Yo, get the mallet, B. Yo, one up there. Picked up the mallet. Moving slow, B. You know what I mean? Hey, there you go. Pop it. Pop lock when you do it. Watch your shit. Alright, fix it. Let them know. Alright? Let them know. Shit fits. Everything is lovely. Alright, put the chain back on. Of course, the chain is acting all wobbly. I'm gonna have to move the engine and do the chain tightener joint. You know what I mean? But just make sure you get the chain back on right. You don't want your chain to pop off on you. Shit done happened to me mad times. You know what I mean? Shit loose like a goose. But you know what I mean? We'll tighten it up. We'll get it tight. I'll move everything back and get it tight. You know, but peep how the chain is lined though. Watch. Oh, I gotta put that shit back on if I can show you how it's lined up. Throw that joint back on, B. Alright? Now peep how the chain, alright, a little loose chain, but I'll get it tight. You know what I mean? We'll get it tight. We're gonna show you how to chain, you know what I mean? See how everything is just straight, B? Just straight up lined up. You see it? Like, you know what I mean?
Lord Jesus.
Come on. I'm gonna fast forward it, yo, B. Now, as y'all can see, yo, I didn't even get to really drive it how I wanted to drive it because I had peaks with me and I had a smoke ass. But I got the 56, but I could have got a little fucking, I still had a little more left in it, you know what I mean? So it is what it is.